In this short video, you'll learn how to change your AT&T Virtual Private Network port speed. In this example, we will change the port speed of our Ethernet circuit. To start your order, go to the Network Inventory page from the main menu. Find the location you want to change and expand the location. Expand the AT&T Virtual Private Network service. From the Actions menu, choose Create Order. You are on the Manage AVPN service page. Expand the Configuration section. In the Port Speed section, click the Edit icon. The Port Speed window opens. Use the slider bar or the plus and minus sign to adjust the port speed, and then click Save. Click Review Order. Review the order details and add any contact information. You can still cancel your order or edit it from here. Once we have all the details, accept the terms and conditions and schedule your order. In the Provision Date window, choose your time frame and submit your order. You can then view the status of your order using the Order Status widget. For more details on ordering, check the Business Center Help menu. You can see all order types, availability, and get step-by-step instructions to place orders. To get help, go to the main dashboard. Click on Help menu. Click on Orders. Click on AT&T Virtual Private Network Service. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos in this series. You can also talk to us by visiting att.com/digital training.